Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add favorites in the Skoda Kodiaq. So to do this guys, you want to go ahead and look to the top or the top left of your Skoda Kodiaq and you will see the icons right here. Right, so to add favorites, click the plus right there and you will just choose whatever you want. So let's say I wanted to add possibly the driving profile. I can click on driving profile and you can see that it adds the mode, and then I would click done on the uppermost right side and that's there. Now at any point in time you want to remove this one, and I just want to say that these are the ones that you can't remove and this is the one you can remove. But if you want to remove it at any point in time, press and hold like that and you will see when it shows up like this in the green, that means that it goes back into the favorites personalized settings, and you can just go ahead and click the three dots there on the upper right and you will have the option to delete the favorite or restore favorites to the default settings.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Just click on delete right there. You see that it's now gone, and now you can click on done or choose something else and then click on done. And that's all that you have to do guys.